Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the the day 5 elf hunt on Bloxburg. I went to the wrong place. So you need to go to the Tom's tree to buy a peppermint. Whoops. Can't drive. Like peppermint hot cocoa, I think. Let's see. Peppermint hot chocolate, and you are going to go to the beach to Ben's ice cream. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just gonna go past here. Oh, I went the wrong way. You'll need to go to the beach. Please pardon my driving skills. Like, I'm just really bad at it. And you'll need to go to the Ben's ice cream place, and you'll be able to find the elf here, select give, and you'll get 1,000 money, 1,000 Bloxburg money. Anyways, that is it for day 5. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.